What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So today we are taking the transmission and we're going to mount it back up to the motor of the car. I'm gonna take a break right quick because yeah, that was something. And now I gotta remember how I took it off because I don't remember. I think I had one block down at the bottom and then the transmission sat on top of that one block and then it lined it up perfect and then I can just line it back up. But I forgot how it went, so now I gotta remember how the crap goes. So I'm pretty sure that's how I had that, and that lined it up with that, and from there that matched that perfectly. And then I was able to slide it off. So I'm pretty sure that's how that went. So now I gotta get that transmission down and onto that block. Hope I do not drop this transmission. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna line this thing up. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna line that up. Oh boy. Thanks to this beautiful young lady over here, we've made it this far. But for some odd reason, the oil pan is in the way and I can't get the axle on the other side of the oil pan, so I'm kind of stuck there. So that's my dilemma right now, because I don't have what my babe calls a engine. What did you call it?
Engine lifty pulley thingy.
Engine lifty pulley swingy thingy. Look at this little girl right here. So this little girl just took over my car. So check that out, guys. There are two of them. I don't really want to mess with them yet because they're still young and I don't want the mom to get mad at me. But that's pretty cool. So I mean, first off, I need to start by kind of lining it up because right now it's kind of crooked. So how am I gonna do that? I don't know. What do you think? That look pretty lined up, huh? So now I'm thinking I'm gonna take the car and kind of push the car up a little bit. Oh yeah, that was a great push. Look at that. I'm right up on there now. That was great. So now the hard part about this is going to be what? This mount over that mount over the top of there. But let me think here. I could take a brick and put a brick up under there, right? And that would lift the engine up, and then it'll just be able to slide right back past that. And I can do the same thing on this side, is take another brick, put it under there, lift it up, and it'll go right back. I'm really digging that. I'm really digging that. But I think that's all I'm gonna get for today because my back is freaking killing me. So yeah, I'm happy with where it's at right now. I don't have much to go. I just gotta find a couple more bricks and put some more bricks under there, and then I'll be good to go. Guys, don't stress over that oil pan at the bottom there. More over the oil pump, not the oil pan, because I have a new oil pan. That oil pan is crap anyway, so don't stress too much over the oil pan. Hey, I also have a jack. I can put a jack right inside of there, and I can jack it up. Jack under there. I think I know how I'm doing this. Yeah, guys, stay tuned for this. We're doing this without an engine hoist. Yeah, we're getting this done. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video.